Hello students, welcome again in this my Bio Story channel. This is Gautam Sinha, and in my today's this video lesson class I am going to discuss about ozone layer and ozone layer depletion. First thing come ozone layer, then we will come to the ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer. This layer is present just very close by to the stratosphere. Suppose this is layer of stratosphere. Below it there is a troposphere. Below upper ionosphere. Then after exosphere is also there. There is, suppose this layer is ozone layer. What is the function of this layer? This layer checks the entry of this UV radiation, UV rays. That means it will not allow this UV radiation to reach this earth surface in this biosphere. From there the UV rays are coming, might be coming in your mind. These UV rays are coming from the sun. There are different radiations are emitting from the sun. Solar radiations containing infrared lights, visible spectrum, that spectrum which enable us to see to see any objects, infrared lights also, infrared rays, and the third one is the UV rays. But these UV rays have not any beneficial, rather it's also harmful for the flora and fauna on this earth surface. So that is one of the greatest function done by this ozone layer, just restricting at this region. How this ozone layer is made up of? What is the formula of ozone? The formula of ozone is O3. Is O3. How this O3 gets formed? My dear students, very easy concept. Molecular oxygen gets broken down due to this UV into free oxygen, and among this free oxygen, one of the oxygen combines again with this molecular oxygen and it forming O3, that is called ozone, and this ozone forms this layer, ozone layer. Then the next topic is coming, the ozone layer depletion. Depletion, what it means? There is a thinning of this layer, there is a deterioration of this layer, gets thinning, gets deteriorated. I am just writing also, the topic is here, ozone layer depletion. That topic gets converted in this one, ozone layer depletion. And somewhere in the earth also there is a hole has been observed. This is one of the most common objective comes in the examination. Where it is? In the Antarctica. In the region of Antarctica, there are so many holes in this ozone layer is being observed, and as this hole is being seen, so the UV radiation is reaching to there and causing so many damage to the flora as well as the fauna. So the thinning of this ozone layer, of question coming might be, why this layer is going to be depleted? Why this layer is going to be thinned? Why this ozone hole is being observed in, this is the hole, suppose this hole, so also this is the whole ozone hole. Why it is being observed? Why? That's the thing. It is this thinning, the depletion is due to the some gases, due to the chlorofluorocarbon again, carbon dioxide, methane, basically chlorofluorocarbon and methane nitrous oxide. These all are responsible for this thinning. Major one is the chlorofluorocarbon. This chlorofluorocarbon is very much harmful for this ozone layer, as this chlorofluorocarbon reaching to the upper layer, to the layer of stratosphere, they resulted in the thinning and also thinning somewhere it is hole is being observed. The next topic also attached it. What are the effects? What are the effects of this ozone layer depletion? This ozone layer depletion. If this layer would be depleted, and somewhere it's also being depleted also, they causing disease to the mankind, to the human being, to the so many skin diseases, cancers, due to this ozone layer depletion. Next one, they also paying a drastic effect, undesirable effect. They are reducing the yield of the plants. They are also responsible for the mutation of the genetic material in the human beings as well as the plants also. So these are all the effects of this ozone layer depletion. So my dear student, this is all the concept. What is ozone layer? What is the formula of the ozone layer? Where it is ozone layer is being present? What is ozone hole? What is ozone depletion? The effects of ozone layer. You might have taken the benefits. That's very much beneficial for you all people. So definitely like this video, subscribe my channel and share to others. Thank you.